This morning Apple released their new iPhone 17 and 17 Pro series. Hey guys, it's been a long time. Today is September the 10th, 2025. It's Teachers' Day in China. I want to say Happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers in China. Even though it's Teachers' Day in China, I want to send a big thank you to teachers all over the world as well. I also want to share something happy with you guys. This morning Apple released their new iPhone 17 and 17 Pro series iPhone Air. I love their beautiful design. There's a lot of rumors about these gears. I am not surprised, all of them. I do hope they can release a smart ring. That's why I feel a little bit disappointed. The good thing is there is a world famous brand. They contact me, they want me to test their smart ring. I am so honored. And this morning I got their sizing kit. As you can see, there were 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There were 8 sizes. I have to choose the best size. I think size 11 is the best for me. I have to wear it for like 24 hours. During these 24 hours, I have to wear it like when I sleep, when I wash my hands, when I do the sports. I have to test everything so I can know which size is my best size. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned. I'll share more about this brand, this smart ring later, guys. Peace.